I generally watching. Man, not the manager. They're my cousin. We don't need no manager. It's a real discussion. It was 2:30 p.m. You got cooking. All right, today we're gonna be doing like a little late night drive, some shit in that order. Yeah, that's really it. I'm trying to get better with the little POV, like recording with the glasses. I'm trying to get better, so y'all bear with me on that. And I ain't forget, that shit costs, but we're gonna have the parts. I say I'll have headers and the new diff, and maybe the car lowered by the end of the summer. That's the plan. If everything goes well, that's the plan. But yeah, right now we finna just head out and I'm bumping that reel. We finna head out, do a little night POV. Yeah, I'll probably, I don't know. All right, right now I'm heading up. Everything's good. Calm down. Another thing I need to do, I need to check my oil in my car. Yeah, my shit quite good. Make sure you check the oil, because the Hemis, if you don't check that oil and you dogging your shit, you're gonna be getting a Hemi tick real soon. So we're gonna set the camera like right here. Nah, that should be fine. One car. Make sure I check that fucking oil, my boy. Damn. This shit don't want to go in. Check that bitch again. My shit good. My oil running good. I don't see no damn metal shavings. Alright. I've been meaning to do this shit for a little minute. Make sure y'all check y'all fucking oil. Y'all ass gonna be sick. Stuck like Chuck on the side of the road. Mad as hell. Like, damn, bro, I ain't checked my oil. Well, I ain't checked my oil, bro. I should check my oil. Stuck like Chuck. Alright, bet. Hopefully my shit don't get copyrighted like last time, because that should be annoying. I gotta do a hell of shit to get that shit fixed. So right now we in the whip. I just gave y'all a little walkthrough. I'm not gonna say walkthrough, but I don't know. But shit. Back to the car, we recording off the glasses and my phone. And we finna finally get back on the road. Gave y'all another remote start. I never get tired of these bitches. Bro, you got right away, bro. Go. Before I get mad. Go, bro. Y'all need to start crossing the crossway area, bro. That's how niggas be getting hit. Y'all lucky I got my lights on I can see, but damn. Dumbass little kid. Not try to roll with me while I'm on the highway. Turn, bitch. This bitch running. Now we chilling. I'm gonna probably give y'all a little, I'll probably come back to y'all. I got like a mile left on the road. I wanna listen to some music. Open it up. Shit. Man, phone them drive my shit.
How you doing?
Put like in the middle.
Oh, this street?
No. I'm talking about like right here. Like middle right here.
But go 40 facing this way.
Yeah, have that front facing this way. Keep turning, bitch.
After deployment, I'm trying to get another car, bro.
Yeah, go muscle car.
I was thinking a Supra,
Oh, that's a bitch
No,
ass
listen.
niggas.
Or C63.
Go C7.
Nigga, that's Corvette, bro. I'm thinking about C63 though.
Bro, I saw a C7 today at the car meet. I was like, I gotta get one of them bitches.
Bro, you seen the Benzes though, nigga? What you can do to the Benzes, bro?
They cool, but I'm a muscle car type nigga.
Yeah, okay. You like that big body shit, bro. That's what it is.
Yeah. I'm letting little bro them drive my shit.
Hey, bro, watch out.
Make sure everything, huh? Wallet.
You sit so dummy far back, bro. Nigga too tall, bro.
I know. I'm gonna see if I can get y'all like a little pull when I hit the highway. That's the best I can probably do. West. Let's get some sport real quick. As y'all can see, y'all can hear the 5700. But you know, wait until I get some BBK or some Porsche or whatever the fuck. Wait till I get some headers on this motherfucker. This shit gonna be screaming. You know, just give me a little time. I know in the prior videos I said I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna get that. Just give me some time, but just stick with me until I get these headers. Car's gonna sound totally different. But I'm gonna let y'all get back to watching the video. I swear I hate people, bro. Look at this shit. Now I gotta tap his door to get my shit. Like, what the fuck? People be so inconsiderate when they park. Alright, time to go in the crib. You know, after a while, ain't nothing good open at this time. Some legs. Put my police radar on. God damn. Please, God, let me get back to the crib without getting no damn ticket. Well, nothing happening. My shit going off the radar. I'm like, damn, what the fuck? Please. I ain't got time for no fucking police. Fuck around, take their ass from the chase.